One house and some bime place them for inside market for Misoke, Ibonbon, as we tori enter for we ear. Waiting be really pass, we fire SSP cash for that side. We go talk for now for this afternoon with image we'll get them for that side. So for market per Misoke on a Misoke market, we Ibon this afternoon. So for inside tori for this afternoon, we go take una, we go for that side. So for Bamenda, for talk this palava picking them, we ide so the thief the way they left them yesterday for night. Sabi say governor Sese for that side. So for inside Norway's, we they call am say Oga Adolf Lele Lafrique. We Oga Adolf Lele Lafrique country people them. Oga Adolf Lele Lafrique. Oga Adolf Lele Lafrique, he get for happen some donga men for that side so as so the year for this side since 10 o'clock. He get for talk on top this palava for picking them. But so now we never feel for here. We go enter for governor office. We tell on as we tori people then say they wait for see wait it happen for that side. Inside palava for new president when Asabi say we go talk after when Kunkuma Sesep he put his hand for talk say I do so swear say he go look out people them for Cameroon. Sabi say Maurice come to Sesep he be work for his own side. As we police people them they become cashy take and go for house. But Sabi say plenty of the people there they be cashy yesterday for that side so for Longkak they don't leave them. All that to read and so plus newspaper then Sesep we go talk this afternoon. Big part talk e dey tell we say person wey e no dey see him e no need looking glass for sabi whether e get wound for e face. Say person wey e no dey see e no need looking glass for check whether e get wound for e face. And big part talk a commander for that side for Limbem, Reverend Bay Christian na he same with big part talk. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon again, country people. Then we go start now with the story for Palava Fire, where it don't enter for inside Douala here for side for Misoke market. That fire, it happen way never overtame. Make you no ask, Ambassador how it take enter for inside that Palava, where they throw BB Salusef for people that necessary they be shit on for that side for send image as so the talk make we enter for inside this market for Misoke way cash fire today. Sabi say the market says no person and never sabi wait way be really happen before fire it start for cash for that side so for Misoke market this fire so it just happen as so the talk for this side and the talk say for corner the market says una fit for see house way e be dey dem na so to the house e burn too plus some store them. Army rescue people then too as so they call them one time them too they be run cam for come see wait way they fit for do for see as so they go lost fire where e cash for inside place where they call them say Makepe Misoke market side there sabi say people then say they dey done for inside the market side and na so to the fire too don't cash e enter e burn some one man e own private house but sabi say na army rescue people then say as so they call Colonel Michaela line one time too he call Captain Afu Hansen na so to Afu Hansen too he gather a lamboy them one time all them they dey for Misoke side where they dey turn for see as well they feel lost that fire. Sabi say before they one land population says if you don't dey carry own sansan e carry water for see as well they feel lost fire before anything if it for happen. Plenty of the market people them they be there for see as well this fire e cash for inside Makepe Misoke big market where e cash. As well I talk for now Bine place in the bond plus even one person in the house where it is done for inside the market. We go turn back for there with plenty story when we go come back for some time for tell nothing way it pass for day. So for inside story now so we take una go for Bamenda. Nothing this way they happen for governor office. Normal con the people them. Oga Adolf Lele Lafrique when a governor for inside Norway's. He began for me talk with the Tory people them since for 10 o'clock for talk palava this speaking the way they left them yesterday for night. Waiting they really happen make we enter for inside governor office just now for tell on us say Tory people them they dis also wait for here wait governor if he for talk we fit enter for inside that image for Bamenda wey just way the pass for Bamenda side. Sabi say that at 70 or 82 picking them where they be catch them, they be last left them na yesterday inside governor office. Na tinda we say na governor office that so do enter for inside just now for tell una say governor for Norway Oga Adolf Lele Lafrique normal as so the talk now. If you don't get for finish talk with the Tory people them for that side, so for inside Bamenda, now for sika waiting, picking the way they be thief them, they be don't left them yesterday for overnight. So governor says, if you don't talk say he go meet up with the Tory people them for 10 o'clock, but so now, no nothing, it never so happen for that side, so for inside governor office as well with the see Tory people themselves they is also turn for inside the office, inside the compound for governor office for Sabi wait way it go pass, but Sabi said this picking them true they don't left them, and governor says after I go meet up with Tory people them he go get for go meet up with it that picking them for side way they don't keep them after way they left them yesterday. So we are here it dey for ground. Sabi say Tory people themselves for that side, so for Bamenda they wait for here wait governor says he go talk am. So now image that where they come up for Bamenda just now. We go left that palaver for Bamenda, so we go remain for Bamenda. I be talk for now for some time. Say yesterday, Pani John he be there too for PSS Nkwen for Bamenda. Now for check wait way it be really happen. Now so too plenty of them mami them for picking them where they be catch them all them say they be dead them. The one now before they be one left that picking them for night. Pani John says he be there for Bamenda for ask question on top who really thief that picking them. Sabi say they take that picking them for inside school. Plenty of them mami they be dead them. Plenty papa them say they be dead there. Pani John says he be dead there for talk with this papa them, talk with the mami them where they be get picking them for inside PSS Nkwen. Sabi say before Pani John be one come up for PSS Nkwen yesterday, if we don't talk say if the people that way they know, if the people that way they catch that picking, they no left them. Sabi say go call the real people them for inside the confusion, inside this problem for Norway Southwest. Them say they go enter for bush for find that picking them. But Sabi say before Pani John won't even finish sleep, a tingly ring say it is so they don't left that picking them, and they left them now for midnight for that side, so for barefoot. Our ear there for ground as well the Tory the continue for Wakam. Now so 2 weeks too we go talk for now. But Sabi say Pani John he be enjoy his own big day where they put new kunkuma for top chair. Now for PSS Mancon or Nkwen for side way this palava it happen. So Pani John he be give warning and only for night that picking them they free. We go left palava for picking the way they catch them. We enter from Dog Passy 3 market. Sabi say inside this market, country people, been a place they don't already fix am. But market people they like na so for Shidon for road for sale. Now inside the market is place for peace, place for shit, Kankwe e dey fine. Other small business place them, they don't already fix the business place them. But people that is also ask question. Now for Sika way business people them from Dog Passy side, there is also life for Shidon for outside for make business. Now although than this, where it is show say they fit enter for inside for start rent business place. But see side where they Shidon for sale market. Now for on top quota, corner road where anything wey fit happen, e go disturb them. According to way Job Sophie Kwana said he talk say they don't make price where e go look out so that all people them where they make business for Dog Passy side, them say they fit enter for buy their own place where they go sell for inside. But so now some people they is also cry say one of the store over there they no fit for do anything for get that plenty money for enter for inside the store. So the condition it don't make now people they ask question whether they be the peoples they only like na say make the die or na how market it don't already they prepare small but them they also like for Shidon now for on top quota for make the business for that side. Sabi say fire sese wey be cash for side for Biofarm. Oga Governor Samuel Dodeneva Dibois for inside Douala here. Ebiwaka for go talk Asia for people them for that side, so for Biofarm. Sabi say the one na after we fire e be cash for that side. And Sabi say Governor Sesep e be take his own time. e waka for see wetin wey be really pass. Na big people dem say for inside Biafama and Oga D.O. Nuhu Bello, dey talk am good for Oga Governor and so e be tonton for meet up people dem for inside Biafama wey fire am. E be meet up dem for Friday night, breaking Saturday for some time, and sabi sef say inside the fire so tey now no person e never sabi wetin wey happen, but sabi say Oga Samuel Dodeneva Adibwa e go talk Asia for sika say the sabi say Biafama na one of the people dem say wey dey give plenty work for young people dem. So na for sika why that way Biafama or governor e go talk Asia, and people dem for Biafama say they don talk say that place wey e born e no go make am way, they no go so continue for work. Say work e go so be, and na so too they go need more work people dem after wey this fire e burn for that side. So governor e go talk for that people dem too, e own Asia after wey e hear say fire e be burn for their business place. We go left palava for that Biafama side. We enter now so for inside chapter for I do so swim. Sabi sef say Nkunkumam e don talk yesterday say e go look up Cameroon fine for another 7 years. But wetin be the strong thing that when Nkunkuma talk yesterday? Number one, he talk this palava for Northwest Southwest. He talk say all that people them as well they put the answer for talk say go look up country people that way they hold you shake a shoot. Make all man he put am for ground, he take the better road wey get for Sabi, and Sabi say Nkunkuma talk say one the way they so hold their shake and shoot wey they no wan put am for ground. He say if law e no go fit for fight with them, Sabi say other people them near them, Ketu them plus all the other one the way join hand for fight, they go fight them so they stop that confusion inside Norway and Southwest. Sabi say this palava for decentralization. Oga Nkunkuma talk say he Sabi say when decentralization e go finish complete. Now that time say wey people dem for Norwest Southwest they no go cry again. Chapter for electricity, Cameroon e go be one of the strong country for electricity according to Nkunkuma. Water wey plenty people dem no dey get, roads wey e no dey, hospital dem wey dey get water bed. Nkunkuma talk say for this other 7 years plenty people there they no get roads, even one day they no get hospital, one day they no get water, all that one e go reach for them according to talk wey e talk. But Sabi say on top all the one them Nkunkuma talk say Cameroon for business side e go see say all thing e go remain for inside Cameroon wey e no go come out for outside, and he talk say all man e must to join hand for see say Cameroon e be the way all man e want am. So as we put your hands for up, he talk say no na he one e go do all the work. All people there they clap for it with he, and one the way they look he, all man he must to join for see as we peace and Cameroon e go na only for before. But inside Ngando place where be get for be quiet. Some kind of thing it be happen where plenty people them they ask question. Make we see them again. Yes, now the only thing that will make people they be surprised plenty say big senator Seseb is stand up for Sing Mutumbu plenty. They don't talk in better Mutumbu way go take place for Mashanta for me way Seseb if don't go 6 feet. We go left that palava small, but Sabi say as when Nkunkumam e be there for inside National Assembly. Pa Maurice come to Seseb for the first time since we e be call people then say may they make mash for Sika Pasha, and we one person this also tonton. Sabi say Pa Maurice come to be come up for outside, and now for that side so for run point for long cack. Now for the way Pa Maurice come to be meet up with the own people them for talk for them say they so. As he don't join hand with other party them, they go so them for look out all the thing them. One people there they for bush. Pa Maurice come to talk say they go see as we all down they go do them. Sabi say if Nkunkuma be fini make all talk for inside National Assembly, Pa Maurice come to no be fit for finish talk his own talk. As we they come pick all them, the big people them like Alain Fogame, Okala Bode, and even Barrister Sim. Now so they pick them up, carry and go for police. Then Pa Maurice come to Seseb, he be enter for inside police motor, they go levy for house, he turn up for door house, he say I no go enter me. say na caterpillar go take me enter for that house. E turn up for day. Man adimo go come back small for that photo for Palm-Maurice Canton. E turn up. Now so police then too they turn up for a backlash on correct Palm-Maurice Canton. It too be been a big man yesterday. At least if we get police then for a corner where they look at it. They reach for a front door house. They say repe enter no. Repe shing. It was say no. I no go enter for my house. You understand? Repe deny. Say I no go enter for my house. So now go force me ma enter. Me will stop for yes more. Yes, now in this. See how the stand and put your hand for his pocket. See police them for corner. No like any kind man they get the kind of opportunity where police they go turn up for your corner so then you put your hand for his pocket. No like any kind of man. No be any kind of man. Palm-Maurice he turn up put a hand for his pocket. Police they turn up to for back. He dey like a big man too no. He dey too na small big man. So he talk say no go enter for house. Say they no go force it for enter house. But sabi say they put it for under arrest. And the tori for them na say all the people there they be catch them yesterday for seeker this palaver for Palm-Maurice Canton. They don't left all them. So yes, all them they don't left them. But Palm-Maurice Canton they talk say he go shit down for inside house. He no get for comot for outside. Sabi say that big day for inside Yawende yesterday. One day where they no be fit for go for Yawende. They be shidon now for inside their own place for Lukam. For Douala here, Oga Samuel Jodoneva Diboam, he no be fit for enter aeroplane for reach for Yawende. So he call all he come be them, work people them. Now for inside place where the Hondonga men, where Oga Samuel Jodoneva Diboam, governor for inside littoral, he shidon for day with the DO them, SDO them, for see wait way if they pass for inside National Assembly. And sabi say all they be the look deep palaver. Now for some big tele, yes, they be put big tele inside place where dongamen they ever happen. You get come be them where they become for calcium and they see as when kunkumam a whole book for talk say e go look at Cameroon better. Even near themselves they be there for look as when the thing happen. After when kunkuma talk I do so swim. Now clap in this. All people they say they glad. So now so the thing be passed. Inside Douala here, Governor Samuel Jodoneva Diboam be shidon for inside office for Dongamen place for sitting way if they pass for Yawende. For that side for Yawende, we will go just enter for day just now. Sabi say even as when Naseri Paul Beya be there for Yawende, I see all the two happen. If he turn back for a house, he talk say better make he share mimbo. He put a small one for ancestor them for talk for them say make ancestor they give power from Kunkuma. As we don't turn up again for look out Cameroon for another 7 years. So he give invite for all he come be them. May they can take small thing, small mimbo, and only small thing way he be level for them. So all the one na part for the glads as when Kunkumam he take power. So that's a report by SSF. He be talk congratulate and he be get own small thing for give for he come be them for inside Yawende after the Ngandowe finish for that side so for National Assembly. Social media, it no be left for back. Social media, two people then two they be the talk. I do so swim. Now one of the thing then that way one of the social media person he talk So for inside the man I do work as small. Put on small for you. Voila. The one he the talk say so true. Repe he don't so turn up again for another 7 years. Now question. The other one he talk say waiting. Nkunkuma. We go so continue for remain for inside the two way the top. But sabi say climate weather na climatic effect e dey change for climate e dey. So then I think that way they talk for Pobia say climate is or change one more time. So for inside the palava they say 36 years. Number 6 day for November 1982. Cameroon they sabi like people then say way Binet e go right for back. Social side e dey for back. Cultural side e dey for back. And so today another one again don't enter. Now some people they be talk for social media. Sabi say social media if they ever talk a own thing. So as well this also continue for waka for talk waiting where people then too they be talk for social media. You get other one they talk say chai. Now big disgrace. Say all thing where they talk. You understand? Big disgrace. Say all thing where they talk, all thing happen when you just enter so a pass for this side. Say na big disgrace for some them. Say na different planet way they see the kind of way it they pass for inside the country. They one they talk say that talk when Kunkuma talk it no be even then na one way they fix and at the same day. It means say they begin for check the thing fine according to way this other social media it talk The other one it talks say now another 7 years again where it don't finish. Now another one it come say now palava for water for go small Kunkuma Nkunkuma wetin na so he dey for top chair. So for inside the social media as Obi waka, they say Cameroon e go be na strong country for palava electricity. Na so repe na so na the thing that the other one talk say so Cameroon e go dey produce electricity. Repe na so that one na better talk. This other one e get e own for talk. Say Nkunkuma you talk say decentralization, you dey promise again decentralization. The one wey be don fair be since that one different one. Then they ask na different thing. Now which kind of thing wey go dey talk, which kind of Cameroon wey dey talk? All the people dey talk say they thief 80 pikin dem. You no talk no nothing on top that palava. You talk na different thing dem only for talk say you sorry this and that. So all man e be get your own talk. They say Cameroon oboso. You understand? Cameroon oboso. They thief 80 pikin, you no talk that one. You talk na say the sabi say put them for northwest and west they suffer. Cameroon go for before oboso. Cameroon oboso. Then other people then sabi say no na all man go cause. Other one they talk say hey Nkunkuma be talk better talk. Say Cameroon na for before. You understand? Say talk when Nkunkuma talk na better thing. Cameroon for before. Other one they show photo talk that small thing there. So sabi say social media say e no be dey idle social media too e be the look the tori then e even take photo for some of the people there they be turn up for the Nkunkuma like Osi Joshua where it to become for can see wetin wey happen. Then you get other people then too like the one they talk say na go replace Mafoni where he don't go 6 feet. Say now so na be the new Mutumbu man for inside CPDM. After the thing we do and for that side. So social media be get it in there. Plenty talk there. Then the other people there, why they put their head for down? Why they put their head for down? When one man did the sing, why the other one they put their head for down? Question. No ask ambassador. Now the thing that will see how they talker. You understand? So man I didn't more level so. Plenty thing be passed on social media as we Gando Sesep it be the happen for Yawende. We go finish story with these people then for custom for East region where they say they don't put their hand for up inside court. They say they no go take choco. Yes. Now for court for that side for East. Custom people they don't put their hand for up. Talk say they no go take choco as well they come up for outside. Sabi say any man they talk say custom. Now the better place that way chop in the come out. Now you the see cargo the way they come out for sheep. Now you the see cargo the way they come out for bush, stick them, and even one the way people they want thief. So the new custom picking the way they don't just finish school. They don't take oath. They don't talk say waiting. I swear I no go chop choco for day. If I chop choco make it tight for my neck. But all that one they so we sabi say na joke game. When they finish put their answer for up, see them for road tomorrow. Carry your plan them. You want pass so that before we no give them choco. You understand that time say all the way they be doing so na just thing way book e don't talk say they must to do am. So they don't take oath for talk say they no go take choco for road. Say they go do their work normal. Now only for outside way we go feel for talk whether true. Till way they talk for inside court, then they put am for on top fee. Now in that for East region, now for the way they take oath say work e go na only for before for them. Newspaper then get their own thing where they tell we today make we enter for the guidance post wey dey for outside. Inside the guidance post they tell we say after we talk say I do so Nkunkuma e don talk say peace e go turn back for nowhere and southwest. Now so today they tell we as when Nkunkuma be the talk say peace e go turn back for nowhere southwest. Maurice Kamto and the other people them for CRM party now so them too they don't get freedom again after way it dey so they be catch them yesterday for Sika say they be want make their own small mash inside the same story. Amnesty International e don't talk say waiting UNICEF, Amnesty International and UNICEF all them say them too they don't talk say picking the way they be thief them for northwest and west make they left them. They tell you too for inside the guidance post say Toriman Nuke Protos, itu a one turner for inside the chapter for B, head boy for Fekafoot for inside Southwest. St. Louis University says the guidance post, they talk for we. It then also for Douala, Yes, we enter for other tori dem say wey dey dey for inside different newspaper dem. We take una enter for the Advocate newspaper. E dey talk for we say wetin the cash come to left dem as wey Nkunkuma say e talk I do so swear. And sabi say inside the Advocate dey talk till wey dey dey do and till wey no go do am for inside the new chair wey e don chop am. Na according to wetin wey Advocate talk am, Nkunkuma talk thing the way they no get for do am and thing the way they get for do am. So for inside the Advocate newspaper, we go read tori wey e talk palava Ekema Patrick for Boyaside wey e give governor help for some of the people there dey hear about for sika this palava for Norwest and Southwest. Other tori dey for inside the Advocate newspaper wey you fit enter for read am. Some newspaper say e dey for outside today. Inside the Sun newspaper, e talk for we say wetin say Nkunkuma e say make all people dem dey put their gun dem, their shaker shoot for ground so that peace e go turn back for inside we country. Now one of the thing dem that way Nkunkuma talk am as wey be the talk say I do so swear. So for inside the Sun newspaper, they talk for we as wey wetin Kava Yege Jibri e give congratulate for OC and Gagam and the other people dem say they be dey present for inside Nkunkuma a new chair wey e be the talk say I do so swear. Sabi say the Sun he talk to on top this palava for cash where the cash come to. Then after the levy, then they tell you to say 5 school picking necessary way they don't thief them. Now for that side so for inside Kumba. Now so to SDF he don't talk say he go struggle for city way if he do as we vote for legislative and municipal he get for come inside next year after we they fail for vote for get new Nkunkuma. So for inside another tori will enter for inside today. Now the Voice newspaper country people them inside the Voice newspaper wey dey for outside they say Pobia another 7 new year again wey don't take am. Wetin be the BB problem the way Pobia get for look for inside then they talk for we palava for Norwest Southwest 1 palava for Army Ipeng 2 palava for Choco 3 palava for walkway no dey 4 another one na palava for human rights wey dey do am anyhow. Now so to this Voice e dey tell we say Presbyterian Church of Cameroon e pay so 2.5 million for say make the left 11 PSS man con pikin dem wey dey cash am. Other tori dem you fit for read am for the Voice newspaper. They dey ask na BB question whether Nkunkuma e go fit for stop all the suffer wey people dem dey dey suffer. Now so too they dey talk palava Mimi Mefo we own tori Ngondere wey for 2 o'clock e get for Biba for Gendarme place. They say make you no touch Mimi Mefo at all. Now the tori that wey the Voice newspaper e carry am. Make we enter for the last one wey dey today. Eden newspaper wey dey for outside. Eden newspaper too e get e own tori for talk for we today. Calling people dem waiting there for inside the Eden newspaper. E talk say President say e don talk say e don sabi say people there for Norwest Southwest they dey suffer. Now after wey e put hand for talk say I do so swear. Professor Maurice come to SSF and people there for MRC party just now. They been a free people them after we they catch them yesterday. So for Eden, you feel read palava for Senator Fon Chafam. He own a palace for that side for Bangolan where they born am. Then 2 big court people then 2 way they kill them for some kind of way for that side so for Guzan. Eden newspaper it get order to read them where you fit for enter. You see where to way it dey happen for them. Now the tori then that for this afternoon, country people them. Tomorrow we go take una go for Limbem. We get palava for case for some power where they meet up and we die for a house. And some other case where they meet up die now for roads where they don't cut with the cutlass. Tomorrow morning time we go bring una all that tori them. Country people now so we see country for this afternoon. Thank you plenty Malis. Thank you Nadine Guafo. Thank you to Ledu Pone. So now so for some time on a hold am tight.